Hello and welcome to the MSPC Bros channel, and today we'll be talking about the Extreme 2080 Ti. This high-end graphics card came out in 2018 and was created by NVIDIA. This powerful graphics card includes ray tracing, a revolutionary new technology created by NVIDIA, which is powered by powerful RT cores that will change the way you experience games forever.
And now we change over to general specs of the 2080 Ti. The graphics card includes 4,352 NVIDIA CUDA cores, which are parallel processors to the computer's processing cores. Its regular boost clock is an impressive 1,350 MHz. When it is overclocked, it can reach up to 1,545 MHz. Its price starts at $1,199 plus tax.
Now let's switch over to the memory specs. Its memory speed is 14 GB per second. It also has an overkill 11 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is not needed at today's gaming level in my opinion. Its memory interface is a 352-bit system, and it has a bandwidth of 616 GB per second, better than my graphics card at least.
For those of you wondering if it'll fit in your setup, I've got the dimensions and display specs up next. It can support a maximum resolution of 7,680 by 4,320 pixels, which I can't even begin to imagine how clear that screen will be. It has 3 different connectors: DisplayPort, HDMI, and a cool and surprisingly new USB-C. It can support a maximum of 4 monitors, not that anyone use more than 3. The exact dimensions of the graphics card are a height of 4.665 of an inch or 115.7 millimeters, a length of 10.5 inches or 266.74 millimeters, and a width of 2 case slots. It is required that your motherboard has PCIe 3.0x16 slot to properly connect your graphics card.
But wait, you can't make a graphics card work without a power source. Now it's time for the thermal and power specs. The maximum temperature that the graphics card can run at is 86 degrees Celsius. It takes up to 250 watts of power to run it, but it is recommended you have a 650 watt power supply to be able to ensure it has enough power to run and still have enough power to run the rest of the components in your PC.
As with all electronics, they need a brain. This includes the 2080 Ti. It has a 12 nanometer processor which tells the components of the graphics card what to do. It also has 18.6 million transistors, which is impressive if I must say. The more transistors, the better the processor works, which makes the graphics card run better.
In the end, the pros of the 2080 Ti are that it has high-end 4K gaming, it leads in ray tracing in the gaming world, and it has a not-so-common USB-C connection. The cons are that it is super expensive, and that even though ray tracing is cool, only a handful of games support that type of technology. Overall, this is the perfect graphics card for extreme gamers, YouTubers, and video editors. If you are just doing schoolwork, working on documents, and only small online games, this graphics card isn't for you.
Please like and subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell icon.